sparkling gray, they're my own rain, any more than a whisper, any sudden movement of my heart. And I know I'll have to watch them pass away, just get through this day. Give up your way, you could be anything. Give up my way and lose myself, not today. It's too much guilt to pay. Sickened in the sun, you dare tell me you love me, but you held me down and screamed you wanted me today. Scream you wanted me to die. Honey, you know I never hurt you that way. You're just so pretty in your pain. Give up my way. I could be anything. Make my own way without your senses. Hey, 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 hey. So run, 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 and hate me if it feels good. I can't hear your screams anymore. You lied to me, but I'm older now. And I'm not buying, baby. Demanding my response. Don't bother breaking the door down. I found my way out. And you'll never hurt me again.